Hi, this is Palmer coming to you with another weekly forecast from optionsspreadtrades.com. Again, we've seen a lot of volatility this week, just a lot of back and forth action. Let's see, this is the daily chart for the S&P for this week. Monday we had a big day up, then Tuesday was down, then Wednesday really didn't go anywhere. Thursday was another down day, and then Friday was big down, and then not big up, but I think we ended up about 11 points up. So it was a lot of sort of sideways movements. We do have a sell signal on the daily chart for the S&P, so we could see some moves down. However, we also, as of the 8th, which was the Monday, we got a buy signal on the weekly chart when it broached 897.50. What that means is the weekly trend is saying that we are going to have probably sideways to higher markets over the next few weeks. Over the next few days, we might have some down markets. However, that does not mean we want to be buyers or short sellers in this market. The reason being is the markets still do look a little bit confused. Momentum hasn't gotten above the zero line, which means we got the buy signal at 897.50, but since the momentum line hasn't breached the zero line, that means we'll probably take a drop back before we go forward. In addition, this is a chart of the commercial buyers. You see this red line here. We've got a lot of commercial selling, short selling here. However, the blue line is the large speculators. So this is individuals that have large accounts. And the green line, we have the small cap. As you can see, both of these are buyers. Generally, when we see the small speculators at an extreme, that is generally bearish for the market. Small speculators are small for a reason. It's because they usually lose their money. Large speculators can be hit or miss, so we don't want to follow them exclusively. However, we think that the large speculators have probably added a lot of fuel to the fire this week. They've probably been the reason the markets have been rallying over the last few weeks, and the reason that we did get this buy signal. Some people, if you want to believe the conspiracy theories, believe that the U.S. government has something called a plunge protection team, which when markets are in free fall, they'll go in and buy S&P exchange traded funds or S&P futures contracts, which will have the effect of supporting the markets artificially, at least temporarily. Of course, this would be illegal, so who knows if it really exists or not. It is a conspiracy theory, and there's never been any proof to it, but a lot of people do believe in it, so it is something to consider. Otherwise, I'm not sure who would have pockets big enough to continually buy against the overall trend of the market. So it is a possibility. It's not something I would completely discount. Anyway, the forecast for this week, we do believe that the markets are going to go sideways to higher. What this means is we don't want to pick a direction for the markets. We don't want to take any directional trades. We want to continue with the market neutral trades that we've been doing, strangles, straddles, maybe some iron condor spreads if we see some opportunities. As far as the seasonals are concerned, this week is triple witching week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday have typically been very bullish, preceding the triple witching week. Monday has been typically up 5 out of 7 times on the Dow. Wednesday's been up 21 out of 23 times on the Dow. And Friday, which is the triple witching week expiration date, has been up 17 out of 25 times. So With that said, we're not really sure of the overall directions for the market this week. We do believe that the long-term direction over the next few months is going to be continuing to be down until we see some substantial buying from the commercials. But like we said, over the next few weeks, we could see a decent-sized rally fueled by the large speculators. So we don't really want to pick a direction in either way. We believe that the markets could swing violently in either direction, so we want to continue with our market neutral trades. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. This has been Palmer from OptionsSpreadTrades.com. If you want to get in on some market neutral trades, utilize some of this volatility and make some money, please come visit us and take us for a 30-day free trial. Thanks a lot and happy trading.